Hello Cravanity, it's me, Lego Green Griff, and welcome to another video. Today we're reviewing Lego Repair Truck, because this truck is repairing stuff. It's repairing things. You don't understand. Ooh, whatever, I'm just going to put that down. Because you don't want that to be shaken in your face. Well, obviously because you don't want things in your face, whatever. Anyways, so this is a truck repair thing. It's, yeah, a repair truck. So you see the guy's repairing the light because it is busted. And yeah. I'll just show some things. I'm just gonna see, you have a little back thing. Fix the light. And other stuff to buy. And yeah. The guy comes with one guy. So I'm just gonna open this thing up. Put that there. And I take this thing out as well. And then a little piece. There you go, that piece. You can see it's much bigger than some other things. Unlike the rabbit, you see there, the bunny. See that bunny? That bunny? Whoops. That piece fell. So, I'm going to make the guy. I'm going to get his feet going together. Like that. Yep, it's close. Here's the hat. Must be in here. Okay, the head must be in here. Let's see. Again, I dropped some pieces. Put them together, and there we go. Now ready to build. Oh yeah! If it is, because you need to fix the light, but there's no light to fix because it's not yet built. I just need to find the pieces. Put that piece there. And find that thing. Then find the other one. Then I'll get the wheels on. And yeah, put that on. Put that on. Take that. Put this on. Put that on, and then we have a vehicle, even though it's not moving, because, well, obviously there's nothing else to make it move. So I'll be back when this thing is finished. So see you then. Broken down light. Which is missing its light. It seems like hello. So now you can see it is done. This is the car. Stickers will be involved, by the way. So there's the X thing, the thing on the light thing. There's like the cone saying that this road is blocked. Like these things way it like that. So yeah, you can go in. The guy like just pop that out. Guy's out. Then you can close that again. You have the dude. The truck repairer, so he will control and do stuff. Control to the light. We realize that it's broken, but he has like some. Then he takes his wrench, and then he fixes it. Fix. And then he fixed the light, which is missing its light. But he had a spare, so he would take this and put the spare in. Now he has a spare. Clink, there we go, all fixed. Yeah, so now, there we go. Trucks can go. The car can go. So now it is done. done. Job is done. So, just looking around. So just push those things around. Whoop. Yeah, so now we use speaker. So now we have that. So anyway, that's it for this video, and I hope you subscribe and like and leave a comment. Good.